Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a comparison highlighting the key differences between Wondershare Virbo and Descript. So let's get started. We're going to look at the features and tell you the differences. Now let's start with the primary focus. Wondershare Virbo is an AI-powered audio video creation and mixing app. Then when it comes to Descript, it's for text-based audio video editing with AI tools. And when it comes to audio mixing quality, Wondershare Virbo is excellent with a 9.6 rating on mixing capabilities, while Descript is solid but less emphasized. When it comes to transcriptions, Wondershare Virbo has very accurate and fast transcription with a 9.4 score, while Descript uses industry-leading transcription in 22 plus languages. When it comes to ease of use, Virbo is highly user-friendly with a 9.7 score, while Descript uses intuitive text editing, but some users find the UI complex. Now, when it comes to AI text or voice generation, Virbo uses advanced AI text and voice generation, has a 9.5 rating for AI text generation, while when it comes to Descript, what happens is, when it comes to Descript AI text or voice generation aspect, it uses overdub, voice cloning, filler word removal, and studio enhancement. Then when it comes to the content creation tools, Virbo is strong in audio, video editing, and mixing, while Descript uses robust video editing, green screen, avatars, eye contact, and layout presets. When it comes to video editing, Virbo has basic animation and mixing, which is good for content creators, while Descript has advanced transcript-based editing, smart transitions, video generation from scripts. Now, look at the limitations of Virbo. It has contact-based pricing, less detailed on video features. While for Descript, the limitation is some UI friction, expert quality issues, and occasional crashes that have been reported. When you look at the pricing, you can simply see that Wondershare Virbo has custom, which is a pricing system that you have to contact them for, and also has a free trial available. While Descript has a free plan of about 1 hour transcripts per month and a hobbyist plan where you pay about $24 per month. In summary, Virbo excels in audio mixing and transcription speed and accuracy with very high ratings on G2. It offers strong basic video audio editing and is praised for being easy to learn and use, while Descript is a powerhouse for text-based editing, allowing intuitive multimedia editing directly from transcripts. Its suite includes voice cloning, which is overdub, filler removal, green screen, avatars, studio sound, and advanced video tools, but users note occasional UI complexity and export quality bugs. Hope you found this video helpful.